Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your videos in picture-in-picture mode. So basically the uses of this are, let's say you're watching Netflix and you guys want to do schoolwork. What you guys can do is click the little picture-in-picture mode, make your little video. You can make it as small as you want or as big as you want. So let's say you have to do some schoolwork for a project. So let's say urban history. Okay, there's urban history, and as you guys can see, you guys can play it and it starts to play. So basically, now that it plays, you guys can play it in the background, and simply to return, all you have to do is click the little X on the side, and it will return into there. Now, it does work with websites that aren't specifically legal as well. I'm not saying like legal websites for movies or anything like that, but I'm saying it does work for anything that's not YouTube, Netflix, Twitter. All those streaming services work, but also the videos that aren't a streaming service work as well, which is pretty cool. So let's say you're watching a video from Khan Academy or something like that. You guys can put it in picture-in-picture mode and it should work. Now there are some drawbacks to it. So you can't be in full window mode, because if you, let's say, start the picture-in-picture, it'll actually go to another window, which kind of sucks. So you guys have to make sure that it's not on full screen. That's a drawback, but it does work and it's free. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get that. So step number one, what you guys want to do is look up Chrome extensions or click the little apps right here. You guys can do either one. Once you look up Chrome extensions, all you have to do is click Chrome Web or go here. So I'm going to go here. Go to Web Store. It's the same. Alright guys, so once you guys are here, what you guys want to do is look up picture-in-picture. Alright, now that you've done that, it's usually the first one. It says offered by Google. Once you see it, click add to Chrome. And it's going to say, are you sure you like to add to Chrome? Just click OK, click all that cool stuff. And then once you do that, you should see the little icon appear here. Now if you guys want to look up any other videos besides them, you can look up YouTube videos as well. So let's look up one of my own just to show you guys that it does work. TechnoTrend, let's click my newest video. Like my content the same way I like my own content. So click the little link right here, and you guys can see it does come out small, but you guys can enlarge it if you want. So let's basically enlarge it to our liking. We can put it here, and as we're doing that, we can be scrolling through something else, and you can also be playing it, which is pretty cool. It's actually really good for tutorials as well. I actually like this version of it as well. It's really cool and basically works with everything, which is awesome. So if you guys want to check it out, it's free in the Chrome Web Store if you guys want to do that. And of course, let me know if this video did help you. Thank you guys for watching this quick video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like down below and a subscription towards my name, and follow all these social medias. Thank you guys for supporting. Have a good one. Happy holidays. Peace.